Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, Kaylee bought a total of 21 hens and ducks. She got a discount of 0.6 for each hen and a discount of $1.6 for each duck, and the total amount of discount she got was $21.60. So we have to find the number of ducks she bought. So let the number of ducks equals x. Therefore, number of hens will be equals 21 minus x. Therefore, total discount will be equals discount on each duck, which is $1.6. So 1.6 multiplied by total number of ducks which she bought, which is x, plus discount on each hen, which is $0.6 multiplied by total number of hens, which is 21 minus x. But according to the question, total discount equals $21.60. Therefore, required equation will be 1.6x plus 0.6 21 minus x equals 21.60. So 1.6x plus 21 multiplied by 0.6, which is equals to 12.6, minus of 0.6x equals 21.60. Therefore 1.6x minus 0.6x will be equals x. Next will be equals 21.60 minus of 12.60. So 21.60 minus 12.60 will give us x equals 9. Now what is x? X is nothing but the total number of ducks. So the total number of ducks, therefore total number of ducks is equals 9. Upon checking the options, we see that option A will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.